Hello everybody, it's once again time to clean the floor. Today's product is New Foam Real Pine Cleaner. Just look at the back label. It's made with real all-natural pine oil. So we'll see about that. We'll go over to the cloud cam. Over at the cloud cam, as usual, 1/8 cup of product in very hot water. See if we get any activity. Oh my goodness, look at that activity. I do believe I see some clouds forming. Let's head on back over to the floor cam and get started. As usual, I will go over the floor twice. This has a traditional pine scent, not the strongest there is by any means, but it smells quite nice. Yep, I think I can handle this product all right. And then there's the first time I'll wash the mop out. Smelling lovely in the hallway. And there's the second mopping. And it appears to have done a fine job. I didn't get a before shot, but you kind of got the idea when I mixed it up. It's darker now than it was, so definitely did some good. Got some things floating in there, little bits of grass and stuff the broom didn't get, but a very nice product. I'd buy it again. Once again, cleaning the floor with New Foam Real Pine Cleaner. Thank you for watching.